I'm Shari Martin. I'm President and CEO of Cobb Community Foundations, and I would like to share with you a way that you can maximize the benefit of your corporate giving, not only to the community, but also to your company. It's called a Corporate Donor Advice Fund. We actually call it a giving fund, and you can create it with a simple fill-in-the-blank document. This is an agreement that's between you and a community foundation or other qualified organization that allows you to think of it as a charitable investment account. When you or anyone else contributes to the fund, you receive a charitable deduction for the value of what you contributed. The beautiful thing about this is that the dollars remain in your fund and are invested until you're ready. You give, the fund grows, and then you grant. And that's where the fund comes in, because that's when you're deciding what charities you want to benefit. So who is you? Who's making that decision? It's really whomever you want. It can be corporate executives, it can be a single person. Many companies use this as a way to engage their employees and create an employee committee that makes the decisions on what organizations are going to be benefited from their fund. They also open up the fund for their employees to contribute sometimes. They can contribute via direct contribution. They can also contribute via payroll deduction. And sometimes the company will actually match those contributions. It is a beautiful way to engage employees. You can also time your contributions to the fund to coincide with how well your year is going. The better the year, the more you can contribute, and that way there's more in the fund in other years when you need to take all charitable contributions from the fund as opposed to out of your own profits for the year. Again, it's a great way to give back to the community and maximize the impact to your company as well. And if you go with the community foundation to set this up, the staff at the community foundation is going to be available to help you brainstorm on ways to engage your employees even more, as well as to provide you information about your community's greatest needs and who's meeting those needs. I'm Shari Martin with Cobb Community Foundation, and we would love to help you. Let's get started.